What's going on, everyone? Welcome to A Few Minutes. So today I want to talk about the pallets that you're selecting off of. Now, if you select off of plastic only, then you don't even really need to watch this. But for the people that select off of wood, either white, blue, or red wood, what does a lot of your wood look like? It looks like this right here where the black arrow is pointing to, and that is the end of the wood is broken. People do not pay mind to this. They just throw this stuff down. They don't think of, I need to have that part facing towards my jack. Okay, because what I did this for the video, but what I'm going to do is once I start putting product on there, I'm going to push that pallet all the way up to the mast of the jack. So if I have product hanging into that gap of the missing wood, it's going to be leaning up against the jack. If your back pallet is like that and you have it facing your jack, it's going to be leaning up against your other pallet. So the likelihood of you dropping that is slim to none. Now, rotate that around and have that gap in the back now and put a case on it. Well, it's going to rock. It's going to give it a heck of a more chance of rocking. And if you don't even go to the gap and you select behind the gap, now you're confining your cube. So it's really going to mess up your cube on the pallet. So that's that. So now I want to show you this. The arrow's pointing, the way the arrow is pointing right here, that is where my forks are coming in at. This is the wrong way you want to put a case. That black box right there, because here, just like this pad right here, this is the long side of the case and this is the short side of the case. So, and here's, like, say that's the gap. If I put this over the gap, there's going to be too much case hanging into that gap, so you're going to have a better chance of this rocking. But if I put it this way, I have more of the case on the pallet, and I have less of the case hanging into that gap. So the chances of it rocking is going to be very slim. You do not want to put it this way. You want to put it this way. So that is the way right here that you want to do it. Just like I said with the pad. Oops, a little loud there. But that's the way you want to do it. You want to turn that case facing this way, and then you could put two of the same like cases side by side. So guys, that's all I want to talk about today. If you have broken wood, there's a process to the way you should do that as well. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, leave a comment in the comment section below, guys. Subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.